surprise.
Wow.
What is this, Ayra?
This is an egg.
This is an egg?
You like your peanut and butter? They have a surprise for you. Do you know that?
Do you have a surprise for me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Here's the surprise.
Wow. They do egg.
What is this, Ayra?
This is an egg.
This is an egg?
How many eggs is there?
How many egg is
And
there?
two.
There is
Count.
2 eggs. Count again.
1 and 2.
And what color is this egg?
It's called gray.
What?
It's
No.
not gray. Look at carefully.
See? What color is this egg?
Why?
Yes, why? Do you want to talk to Butter?
Butter.
See?
There is a baby bird.
Yes. There
Hmm.
must be baby bird inside the egg.
Is a baby bird inside the egg? Let's open it.
We can't open the egg.
Yes, it can.
No.
And the baby bird can see us.
The baby bird will come by itself. We can't crack the egg. It will hatch by itself.
Where's it hatching?
It will take some time. Maybe-
No, a baby bird.
Oh, baby bird. I'm sorry. It's my mistake. Get down from the table.
Mama.
Yes.
And also the chick has found the egg.
Yes.
We watch it
Okay.
and we grow it. Bigger and bigger.
Yes. The chick will grow bigger and bigger.
No,
Then?
not like the hen.
Then?
The penguin.